Welcome to H-Town. We're here with Blood Bros for Joe's Barbecue Bros.
We're gonna hit it with our Blood Brothers beef rub.
So what's in that beef rub? You don't have to tell us all because they're gonna get it.
I mean, it's,
but they want to know a little love.
You know, garlic, onion,
right.
You know, salt, pepper.
Do y'all use this? Do y'all use this for y'all's briskets also?
Yes. So this one, we don't add any salt and pepper in the rub. You know, that way, if you're low sodium guy, you don't have to use it. But we normally will hit it with our briskets with salt and pepper first, and then this on top.
So let me ask a question. Like, you know, a lot of rubs, there's a whole bunch of just stuff in it. Can you just hammer the hell out of this and it's still going to be good? You don't have to worry about being too salty or too sugary or anything like that? Actually, I don't even know there's sugar in there.
There's no sugar in our beef rub,
Nice.
But yeah, it's good.
It smells really amazing. Like, we got these marinated, and next time you see us, we're going to be throwing this on the Nomad. Let's go. So we got the Nomad. We have the charcoal going.
It's ripping hot.
Damn, it's hot. But that's what we want, right? We're about to start grilling. The good thing is we have two cookie surfaces, so we can get the sirloin flap going on one side, and we get the chuck flap going on the other side, right?
Yeah.
Let's get going.
Let's do that.
So Qui's about to throw that down. Again, we're looking for the high heat, juicy sear.
That's what's up. Like, that's like the perfect little basting.
Like 6 inch, huh?
Yeah.
6 inch saute pan, yeah.
We make our mac and cheese for the kiddos in these bands.
Do y'all really?
Yeah.
Man, y'all do it
It's a
first
perfect
class.
portion.
It really is.
Like our mac and cheese, like at both locations. Like it's different, but again, something like you're not gonna have at another spot. At Blood Bros, it's smoked Gouda. Ours is a little bit more like at Lulu's. It's a little bit more elevated, kind of like the Velveeta shells, you know, but it's like way juicier.
So I know we're waiting on this one to get done, but we pulled off some of the sirloin flap for the salad. That one has. So I think we go about every 3 minutes flipping this over.
Yeah.
And you just
or if you like to drink, you can just leave it one side down, drink your beer, and then flip it.
So about a beer. Perfect. But if you use it at thermometer, if you want about a medium rare, go to about 125, 130. The temperature rise. If you want medium, you know, go up to 140. And before, as we get over there, you pulled it. It's going to be rusty. Rest your meat before you slice. I don't care what anybody says. It does look good for the gram to slice it hot, but then you don't get to enjoy the meat. So rest. All right, let's get the sandwich going. So we're gonna get the ciabatta. What goes first on there?
So we're gonna do the Dukes of Hazzard spread on both sides. Well, you know what? Let's slice the meat first.
Oh.
While I'm doing that, Robbie's gonna church up the salad for the bulgogi. That's gonna have our my spring mix, some crunchy cabbage, other little goodies in there. The gochugaru dressing, some fresh red onions.
This one is basically gochugaru, sesame oil, garlic, green onion, sugar.
I'm sorry, I got to steal a piece of this. Like, look at that right there.
So yeah, I mean, honestly, like we cooked this for about 10-15 minutes. Flipping, glazing, all that, and again, look, super juicy.
That flavor is unbelievable. Like, my stuff never tastes like this. Wow, so good.
So we're gonna just brush this guy.
So if you want, you can toast a bun.
Oh yeah, we did on the Nomad. The coals are still pretty hot, so I didn't even butter it or oil it. You can just see like
it's like beautiful.
I mean, we use olive oil in this bread, so there's like natural oils in there, so you really don't gotta do too much to it.
And is that like a Texas spin on with some avocado in there?
A little guac. We're gonna put that on the top side. Yep. On the bottom side, we're gonna load it up. Little pickle action. These are our spicy B&B pickles.
Gotta put some tomato.
A little tomato. Usually we'll put salt on there just to make tomatoes pop. I do the bet on that. I'm just gonna layer the juicy little steak on there.
Like, this is like the perfect backyard sandwich.
It is. We're gonna throw a little provolone.
Ooh, get a little saltiness.
Little pickled onions. Both locations, Lulu's and Blood Brothers, both have these boys.
So you're telling me there's 2 places they can get this sandwich?
Not yet. No, we're just doing this for this backyard cookout.
First time.
This
y'all
is a
get the
special
first-
one.
y'all
This
get
is a
the
one-off
first
just for
edition.
Joe's Bros.
Yeah.
First edition.
So I'm gonna tell you slice it up because I don't want to be selfish.
All right,
Slice it
But-
up.
but-
slice them up.
I want to get a bite of this. Oh my God. Look at that right there. I guess I was selfish and took, you want to cut this up?
Go ahead. Go ahead.
Get it?
All right.
You don't even
Look at
want the
this right
mullet.
here.
No, I sure don't.
What?
Oh my God.
There you go.
This is a backyard sandwich?
Maybe we should sell it, huh?
This is a Jay's beer sandwich. I don't know what you're talking about.
That was damn good.
Oh my God. So you literally, time out. So we literally use your rub, we use your SWAT sauce, we use a Nomad, and you can make this in your backyard.
Yeah, maybe a couple beers.
And 44 farms.
That's a difference. It has to be 44 farms. Like, I don't think I realize how lucky you are. Y'all gonna learn something absolutely amazing that's gonna be so different that you're gonna do at home. And they made it so simple. Like, thank y'all so much.
Oh,
Thank you.
Like, the Blood Bros, the first people on Joe's Bros backyard, like, I don't think we could have kicked it off with a better group. Like, thank you for letting us in your backyard. Thank you all so much for letting us come to H-Town. Like, thank you 44 Farms. Thank you Lone Star. Like, we're the luckiest people in the world. Thank
Thank
you.
you.
for having us.
Thanks for
yeah.
having
Love
us.
y'all so much.
Yeah, man. Thank you.